Hi, in this video we're going to be writing division using algebra. By the end of this video, I hope you feel more confident writing division sentences that involve algebra. So let's take a look, and let's try and answer a question. Does the order you divide in matter? Is A divided by B the same as B divided by A? Let's take a look at an example. Let's pretend that y equals 2 for a moment, and I want to answer 4 divided by y. This means that I'm trying to do 4 divided by 2 in this case. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and that's our answer. But what if I wanted to flip that around and do y divided by 4? This would give me 2 divided by 4, which in this case is a half. So the question is 4 divided by 2 the same as 2 divided by 4? Can I just switch my numbers around and still get the same answer? And that answer to that is no. This means that the order matters that we divide in, so it is critical to be aware of this before we start this video. In this video, we're going to look at writing division using algebra. Firstly, remember in algebra that when we write division questions, we remove the divided by sign and write the expression as a fraction. For 15 divided by 3, this is the same as 15 over 3. The 15 is going on top because we are dividing by the 3 which goes on our bottom. This works for any two numbers, and that's why it shows for a divided by b being a over b. The a will be our numerator and the b will be our denominator because that is what we're dividing by. Let's try some for ourselves. Here I've got m divided by 15. If I was to write that without the division symbol, it would be m over 15. Why don't you try the next four yourself by pausing the video and giving them a go. Okay, I hope you tried that. Let's look at b. P divided by q, this is p over q. 3m divided by 5 is 3m over 5. That divided by symbol may as well be a fraction line, and then we just move our 3m above the 5. For a plus 2 divided by 4, the entirety of a plus 2 needs to go on our numerator all over our denominator of 4. And 6p divided by e minus 2, the 6p goes on top and the e minus 2 goes on the bottom. You might notice that I don't have brackets in anymore for d and e. That's because they are implied when they're inside a fraction, which means that we don't need to write them. Now we're going to try 5 examples where we have to try and write the division symbol in. This will show that you understand how this works. So to start off with, we have 3 over k, and we want to put the division symbol in. Well, that fraction line is a division symbol, or may as well be a division symbol. So 3 over k is the same as 3 divided by k. Try pausing the video and trying the next 4 for yourself. Don't forget to use brackets if there's any plus or minus in a numerator or denominator. Okay, I hope you paused it. Let's go through the next 4. Z over y is the same as z divided by y. 2p over 6x is 2p divided by 6x. I could have put the time symbols between the 2 and the p and the 6 and the x, but for this particular question, all I'm trying to do is put the divided by symbols in. For 4 plus d over 3, I need to put brackets around that 4 plus d, so that when I divide by 3, the order of operations won't kick in and do the division before it does the addition. For the last one, 19r over p plus 1, I need to make sure that I have brackets around the p plus 1, so that I have 19r divided by p plus 1. And that's it. What should you write? Well, a heading of division using algebra, followed by the very important fact that it matters what order you divide in. Then have the example that a divided by b means a over b. That way you won't get the order mixed up. Finally, these 10 examples will be good for you to refer to when you're trying these exercises for yourself. And that's it. Hopefully now you feel a little bit more confident writing division symbols using algebra, and that you know how to simplify and remove any division symbols. Good luck.